welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to recover Telegram account without email or phone number. So let's get started. So if you are trying to recover your Telegram account without entering your email or phone number, so let's see if you can do that. So what you can do is just simply open up your Telegram application. After opening up your Telegram application, now you just have to tap on start messaging, and after tapping on start messaging, now unfortunately we don't have any option that we can use to log into our account. So we just have to enter our phone number, and after entering our phone number we can recover our Telegram account. So unfortunately we don't even have an email option, so you just have to enter your phone number, and after entering your phone number just simply tap on that right side arrow which you can find, and after tapping on that you will be logged into your account. So there is no other option that you can use to log into your account. You have to enter your phone number and then only you can log into your account. So after entering your phone number you will find a 6-digit code in your SMS or in other device that your account is logged in. What you can do is just simply use that 6-digit code and enter it, and after entering that 6-digit code you will recover your account. So unfortunately we don't have an option to recover Telegram account without entering email or phone number. So that's it guys, this is how to recover Telegram account without email or phone number. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.